Okay, so here we're asked to add the decimals 8.2 and 4.16. What's really important when it comes to adding decimals is that you work in columns. Okay, so we'll write 8.2 there, and underneath them we'll write 4.16. Okay, so you'll notice how careful I've been to ensure that the decimal point in the 8.2 and the 4.16 line up nicely. Okay, so we get our ruler, and then we'll put a decimal point there in our answer as well, because it's all going to line up. That's where we expect it to be here, and then we're going to add. Now some people like to put a 0 here because there's nothing there, and if there's nothing there, 0 indeed belongs there. So you can do that if you want. And then when it comes to adding, then remember we always start on the right hand side. So 0 add 6 is 6, 2 add 1 is 3, and then 8 add 4 is 12. So we get 12.36. Now, similar situation then when it comes to subtraction. Okay, we need to line up in columns, so 14.8. Now the 6 then will have to go underneath the 4 in the units column here, and the point then will be lined up nicely. 4 then and 5. Okay, so we will put then a line here and a line here. Take away. Now of course there's nothing here, so you need to put a 0 here. Okay, and in the answer then we'd expect then the decimal points to line up nicely, so we're going to put that there. Okay, so when we take away then we do 0 take away 5, and of course you can't take 5 away from nothing, so we've got to go to the next column and take 1 from there. So if I take 1 from there, that becomes a 7, and the 1 I take then I put here, so we end up having 10 here. 10 then take away 5 is 5. 7 take away 4 is 3. 4 take away 6, we can't do that, can we? We can't take 6 from 4, so I go from that 1, I take from that 1, and if I take from that 1, there's nothing there, and the 1 I put here then, so I've got 14 then, take away 6 is 8. So I get my answer to be 8.35.